The once-for-all fresh meat slicer Cleaver kitchen knife set is perfect for slicing, shredding, and dicing your meats with precision. Whether you're prepping for a barbecue or making a delicious roast, this set will make your job easier. The razor-sharp, durable cleaver ensures effortless slicing, giving you professional results. Upgrade your kitchen tools with this meat slicing powerhouse and make every meal prep a breeze. The Dash Safe Slice Mandoline Slicer is a must-have for anyone who loves quick and efficient meal prep. With 30-plus presets, you can slice, dice, and julienne your veggies with precision. The slicer's safety features and easy-to-use design make it perfect for beginners and experienced chefs alike. Speed up your prep time and get perfect slices every time with this reliable and compact kitchen tool. Indulge in delicious homemade Belgian waffles with the Bella Classic Rotating Waffle Maker. Its non-stick plates ensure easy cleanup, while the rotating feature guarantees perfectly cooked waffles every time. Whether you're making breakfast for the family or just treating yourself, this waffle maker delivers golden, crispy waffles in minutes. Say goodbye to expensive waffle shops and enjoy perfect waffles at home. The 200W electric deli food slicer offers fast and accurate slicing for meats, cheeses, and other deli foods. With a 7.5-inch stainless steel blade, this slicer ensures perfect portions every time. Its compact design fits easily on your countertop, and it's perfect for home chefs or anyone who loves preparing deli-quality meats. Upgrade your kitchen and save time with this electric slicer for all your meal prep needs. Preserve your favorite fruits, vegetables, and meats with the OSTBA Food Dehydrator. With adjustable temperature controls and a 72-hour timer, you can easily dry a variety of foods to your liking. Ideal for making jerky, dried fruit, or snacks, this dehydrator helps maintain the nutritional value of your ingredients. It's the perfect solution for healthy, homemade snacks and long-term food storage. The EyeVac Touchless vacuum automatically sweeps up dirt, dust, and debris with its powerful suction. Perfect for pet owners and busy households, this smart vacuum eliminates the need for a dustpan. Simply sweep debris toward the unit, and it does the rest. With a sleek design and hands-free operation, EyeVac is the modern way to keep your floors clean effortlessly. Achieve perfectly cooked meals with the ThermoPro TP18 digital meat thermometer. This ultra-fast, Thermocouple thermometer delivers accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. Whether grilling, smoking, or roasting, the backlit display and foldable design make it easy to use and store. Ensure your meats are cooked to perfection every time with this essential kitchen tool. The Dezin electric hot pot is perfect for cooking your favorite meals in no time. Whether sautéing, boiling, or making noodles, this non-stick pan offers quick and efficient cooking. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for dorms, RVs, or small kitchens. With rapid heating and a sleek modern look, this hot pot is a versatile addition to any kitchen. The OXO Good Grips large salad spinner is the ultimate tool for washing and drying your greens. With a 6.22 quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing salads for the whole family. The pump mechanism and brake button allow for quick and efficient drying, while the non-slip base ensures stability during use. Clean and dry your salads effortlessly for healthier meals. The Eurolux Premium Electric Orange Juicer is perfect for starting your day with fresh, homemade juice. With its durable stainless steel design and powerful motor, this juicer makes quick work of squeezing oranges, grapefruits, and more. The ergonomic handle and anti-drip spout make juicing easy and mess-free. Add a burst of freshness to your morning routine. Enhance your cooking experience with the Sweet Alice electric pepper and salt grinder set. These sleek, gravity-activated grinders make seasoning your meals easy and efficient. With adjustable coarseness, you can control the texture of your seasonings for every dish. Perfect for any kitchen or dining table, these grinders add style and convenience to your culinary creations. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is perfect for any occasion, producing up to 35 pounds of chewable nugget ice daily. Compact and easy to use, it fits seamlessly into your kitchen or office space. Whether for drinks, parties, or smoothies, this ice maker guarantees a constant supply of soft, satisfying ice. Keep your beverages cool and refreshing with this countertop gem. Keep your meals at the perfect temperature with this food warming mat. Featuring fast heating silicone and 4 adjustable temperature settings, it ensures your food stays warm until you're ready to serve. Ideal for dinner parties, family gatherings, or everyday use, this mat keeps food fresh and ready to enjoy. Compact and easy to store, it's a great addition to any kitchen.